Hi, I'm Will, one of the technicians with Repair Zone. Today I'm going to be testing a Vodacom Cyberline 1000A drive. Which is controlled by the Vodacom BMOT module. We have a program simulated in our PLC to operate the drive as if it was actually in the machine. We'll enable the drive, load the parameters, start the program running, executes profile. We will let the motor run like this for a few hours to make sure everything in the system is working properly. This is the Cyberline 1000A drive that's just completed our test procedures that will be shipped out to another satisfied Repair Zone customer today.